Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300. It has a white exterior and a black interior. Line speed assist and a 9-speed automatic engine. Come around to the back here, you can see the 4MATIC Mercedes-Benz and GLC 300 badging. This does have power open and closing of the trunk. Also has a sunroof, you can see here. Memory seats, driver door controls there, driver seat, steering wheel, center console. It says 37,569 for miles. And push button ignition. Navigation, radio, and backup camera. If you'd like to see any more photos, get any more information about this vehicle or any others, check us out at feldmannimports.com.